Hi, my name is Roxana Ehsani, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist. So, you might have heard that seafood has mercury, but the good news is not all fish contains high amounts of it. Mercury is a contaminant, and it is found in small amounts in nearly all types of fish, but the amount of mercury found in each fish depends on a few different things. The type of fish, the size of that fish, and the environment in where that fish was caught. Older and larger fish that are caught in polluted waters tend to have higher levels of mercury, while fish that has been caught in wild and natural environments have a much lower levels of mercury. There's also one nutrient found in high amounts in seafood that offers protective benefits against mercury. You may have heard it. It is called selenium. Selenium is an essential mineral. It works as a powerful antioxidant in the body and has protective properties against mercury. It can bind to mercury, help remove it from the body, and also helps repair cells that have already been damaged. So choosing seafood high in selenium is key. My personal favorite is wild salmon. It is high in selenium and low in mercury. Other choices are things like halibut, pollock, crab, and rockfish. When it comes to the environment, I always choose seafood from Alaska. Alaska has some of the cleanest waters in the world, and all seafood from Alaska is wild, natural, and sustainable. Next time you are at the seafood counter, ask for Alaska. For more information, you can visit alaskaseafood.org to find more health and nutrition information and to find some delicious recipes. Stay tuned for our next video.